Video of a Russian tank in Marinka struck by a Ukrainian FPV loitering munition with what appears to be a PG-7 warhead that avoids the roof screen. Another destroyed Russian column somewhere in the east. We reported about this earlier. Ukrainians are luring Russian soldiers in abandoned buildings of Bakhmut and then blow them up with controlled detonations. Amazing spirit. And again, there is a new fire in Russia, this time near oil raffinery in Tyumen.
Расходится трава, в смысле это горит. Там же кустарники, там трава, там камыши, там болото, и, видимо, не подобраться. Там ужас вообще, конечно.
And Blyatgorod is on fire again. This video proves that the Russian authorities see their people only as cattle for slaughter.
Я абсолютно не понимаю ни в украинской, ни в западной мысли стратегической. Они абсолютно не понимают того факта, что для России не существует понятия неприемлемых потерь. Его просто нет. Поэтому война в любом ее виде может продолжаться сколько угодно.
Lesson learned. If you want to be safe, build a bunker in a wide, flat field. Could anyone tell me what on earth they are training for? An epic Easter video from the Ukrainian 12th Army Aviation Brigade. This is a column of PT-91 Twardey tanks, handed over by Poland at one of the Ukrainian training grounds. Another exchange of prisoners took place. Ukraine managed to return 130 of its soldiers.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.